gosh. So we should make them a little stronger than this, is what you're saying?
You could probably get rid of that and just keep this and pull the trailer just fine.
It's overbuilt.
Yeah, way overbuilt.
Way over.
Yeah.
I like to hear that. That's a good thing. Not for you, but for the customer. It is.
Yeah.
Okay.
I could probably bring this coupler straight.
I got the jig master here.
Yeah. Why not hook the first one?
You got a fire extinguisher on board, huh? Very nice bead. Look at that. Yes, sir, Rebob.
So.
Looks awesome.